Hi, I'm Adam from Momentum, and I'd like to introduce you to the new requisition functionality within Momentum's Approval Advantage. So we'll start by creating a new requisition. Here's our requisition screen. Firstly, the supplier. We can just select the supplier that we're interested in creating a requisition against. The delivery address can be manually entered, or you can select the delivery address from the list in the available drop-down. We'll just select one here. The order date will default up as today, however you can change that as necessary. Same with the due date. If it's a stock-related transaction, you can choose the warehouse that it's to go into and which lead time to use from the supplier. If we've got a foreign currency requisition, you can choose what rate it's to be converted at, and you can also choose which job the requisition may relate to. And finally, you also need to choose the branch that the transaction relates to. Down the bottom here, or in the middle I should say, we've got some additional fields, some transport methodology. If the supplier has already given you a quote number, you can enter the quote number in here. And next we need to choose our stock items. So we'll just pick on this air filter, and let's say we need 10 of them. And from here, there's two extra things that we need to do. One is we need to select who our authorizer is. Now, an authorizer can be a person or it can be a group of people, and that configuration is set up in the back of Approval Advantage. So we've now ordered 10 units at $500 each, okay, and we hit, and it's going to be authorized by the budget approver. So let's hit save. The system has automatically given us requisition number 1007. You'll also note that there is a little clipboard down the bottom here, and this is where you can attach information, for example, a quote from your supplier. Okay, so that's nice and easy to do. We'll just do a drag and drop, and you'll see that that has now updated to say that there is one document attached. Okay, so now that we have we've created this document or this requisition, the next step is to have it approved. So we'll close here and we'll just flick into the approvers screen, and I'll just refresh it. And the entry that we've just created here is $5,000 against Sydney Part Mart, and its status is awaiting authorization. Now essentially it just follows the process that exists within Approval Advantage. You can review the attachment if you like, or essentially the simple process from anyone within that budget approval authorization group in this instance is that they can click on the tick to approve it, click on the X to reject it, or if a message needs to be sent, for example, if you've got a query relating to the transaction, you can click on the message box and enter your query, and that can then be followed up. That's essentially how requisitions works within Approval Advantage. Please note that there are also some improved functionality, such as the automatic generation of purchase orders where a requisition is authorized, and those things can be customized within Approval Advantage itself. If you have any questions relating to requisitions, please get in contact with us at Momentum.